so I can put them in right.
I want to save this side up.
Rain mixture. Gladius, let's see here. Yeah, it kind of pointed upward a little bit. Alright, so should I go at an angle or should I go across?
It doesn't matter.
4 feet across.
Going this way, so just
Huh?
this way.
You want to go long ways?
Yeah, I guess.
Put that on the ground. So, we don't want to get into where the... Alright, so we'll go right here. Hold that about 8 inches. Basically, this doesn't have to be like this. You're going to go 4 feet apart. Okay. That's... How many are there? 5? Huh?
6.
6 there? So put 4 in. Even amount. Yep. 1,
2, 3, 4.
No. Feet.
1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Yeah, we'll go like that. It's fine.
2.
No, one. You only put 1 in at a time. Did you? Okay. Was that just the?
That's just the last one.
All right.
4.
Now just put 1 at the very end. All right. Now get the rake and cover them up. Here. We'll cover everything up later.
Right there.
Really?
Yep.
There's not even a hole there. You just put it on top of the ground. And you still didn't even bury it. Alright. Well,
There's one more.
that's fine. That's what I'm saying. Keep those 2 over there. And what we'll do is we'll do 2. We'll put them in. We'll rotate the things how we're doing it. So the next ones. Where's the next one? Type at. Not. Yeah. Those are. Yep. How
These
deep?
ones look like dead
Yeah, but open it up real quick.
bugs.
Open it up. What's it say?
Dead bugs.
No, I need to know depth.
Dead bugs.
So these go 3 inches. Those are 8. These have to be 3. Okay? Hold on. And how many feet apart?
Let's see, I don't know.
So I got it. Inches. This is gonna be
Maintain a physical level of 6 to 7 to bring out true.
6 inches, or inches is IN, feet is FT.
It didn't say anything like that.
It doesn't say on the top where I was just reading.
Oh,
The 3 inches is the depth, and then the other should be how far apart they should be from each other.
almost planting zone 3.
See.
Most. I finally got it, and you just ruined me.
12.
No.
Huh?
No.
So depth 3 inches, square
What
foot
is this?
12. Huh? Just no. Hold on to it. Here.
I'll just sit
Put
right
these all in there. The exact. Space these out. Should be about almost the exact same as the others.
That's like 4
Huh?
feet though.
I don't mind. Let's try it that way and see what happens.
Ew, I don't want to touch bugs.
They're not bugs.
They're bugs.
Why do you say they're bugs? 1. No, Gracie, stand up and do it. Come on. They look exactly like the strawberries when we did strawberries. Or. Do I have anything left?
Yeah.
How many? Keep it with that other one up there then. I'm going to go ahead and do another row. Okay. So the next row will be the bulbs again. Bulbs. Do the bulbs. Hey. So you want to show her
Oh,
the
thank you.
Zenas and
She's talking about that one.